He's the professional bull rider known as the Cherokee Kid. Ryan Dirteater is a native of Holbert, Oklahoma, and is one of several Cherokee Nation sponsored athletes. For years, he's traveled the globe with PBR, but as we found out, his true love is his home in Cherokee County.
My dad told me one time, he said, "Son, you can either work 8 hours or 8 seconds, it's up to you." You're going to battle pretty much, it's 8 seconds of war.
He's 25 years old and on top of his game. After going pro as just a senior in high school, Ryan Dirteater is competing 8 seconds at a time to ride in his 8th PBR World Finals event.
I would say you would have to be a little bit different to be a bull rider. Making it a career, I guess, you gotta really love it to do it. It's all I ever done, it's all I ever wanted to be. I wanted to be a cowboy, and I still am today a cowboy.
But you're an Indian too.
I'm an Indian cowboy. You know, the last name Dirteater, you know, I get that all the time. You know, ask me where my name come from. I'm Native American. You know, it's pretty neat just, you know, being here in Cherokee County also. You know, you're near everybody, and you know, I love the culture. It's nice really coming out here, and it's relaxing to me. It clears your mind because, you know, bull riding, you're climbing on animals like this, 1,500, 2,000 pound animals, and your adrenaline's going. And I think it's good just to get away from all that, the city life, and it's good knowing that I've got something back home. You know, say if bull riding don't work out, you know, I got this, I can come back home and race some cows. These are good tools to have if you're a bull rider. That way you can work on your form, your technique, and drills to do every day. You know, getting on the caliber of bulls I get on every weekend, I'm usually sore when I get home. And I just need body to recover, rest, and I'll just do this. So now we're gonna go, another thing I like to do every day is ride my horse bareback. And I got her tied up, ready to go. And we're gonna go jump some jumps, and pretty much same deal, practice getting up, you know, staying off my butt and setting my hips. I'm 25. Hopefully I can do it for 5 more years and then I'll hang it up. You know, I've always wanted to make the PBR finals 10 times or more, and hopefully in this year it'll be 7, and hopefully I can make it 10.
So 8 seconds.
Yeah.
A lot of people, you know, you think about that. You do all of this work, you know, you train every day, you travel, and it's all for 8 seconds.
Keep it simple, it's just 8 seconds. You really just got to clear your mind and react with the bull, because bulls are, you know, they're animals, they're going to do whatever they can to get you off your back. It's a tough mental sport. You got to be mentally ready, you know, physically ready also, but you can easily psych yourself out when you're calling on the back of one. Getting off's the hard part. Riding is, I'd like to say, is the easiest part. Getting off, because I want to make sure my get off not horrible. That's how I tore my last ACL. Yeah, major injuries, broke my femur, dislocated my knee, jaw. I got a long list of them. Got scars all over the place, tore my tricep, and got a big old scar here. You know, my knee's all banged up. And, you know, if it was any other sport, I'd probably be done. But bull riding, you're hanging on. There's not a whole lot of running. That's one thing I wish that wouldn't have happened, but it's part of it. And it really, I really learned a lot from it all. You know, sitting at home, seeing all my buddies, you know, and they're all doing good, and I'm sitting at home on the couch in the bed watching them. I was happy for them, but I won right out of $100,000 in a month there. After I came back from all that.
1 month?
Yeah.
That's not bad work.
So that's not too bad, but which I set out for a long time, and it was a pretty good month for me, and you know, it's been ups and downs. I know I've been through a lot of adversity, but you know, I just fought my way through it, and I'm back doing what I love.
Well, a lot of people think, you know, bull riders are crazy. I mean, people die riding bulls.
Yeah, but you know, people die driving down the road too. It's when it's your day, just better be ready.
You feel like you're living your dream?
Yeah, I feel like I am. You know, if you're doing what you're meant to be or living your dream, you'll never work a day in your life, and I feel like I'm doing that.
What's going through your mind right before you get on a bull?
Before I get on him, I'm focused on just the little things. You know, keep my chin down, staying in the middle, be ready for anything. Getting on the stationary barrel, horses bareback, getting on practice bulls if you have to, working out, be ready to go. But when I slide down on the chute, I like to just clear my mind, you know, just take a deep breath, you know, exhale, inhale, get everything right, put my hand on the door rope, side up, and just let it out and go. Step off the bull and know you made a great ride. You hear the fans screaming your name. Your adrenaline's going. You're on top of the world at that moment.
Throughout his career, he's gone by the moniker of the Cherokee Kid. But guess what? With that ride, the kid's grown up.
Ryan is on track to compete in the PBR World Finals in Vegas this fall. To see his complete schedule, go to Osiyo.tv and look in links mentioned.